GSP, I think 301, 302, and 303, or 300, 301, something like that. Some models of plastic all have the same ear pads. They rip. We were going back and forth with the company for weeks, months. They finally sent me a set because I was not buying a set saying ripped. Anyway, I just took one off. They just peel off on the edges, and I was going, why isn't this going on? They are marked. Look, a left and a right. So this one has an R on it. There was the problem. I took off the, oh, that was the left side, right? Look, okay, I didn't know the right side, left, right, I had it backwards. But there we go. There's your issue. Side specific. If you've never done this before, that's just that's a new one. An old one, that's just a lip. And the old ones always come off easier than the new ones because they're kind of deflated over time. It's just a whole lip. It's kind of like a tire, working a tire on a rim. If you ever did that, just start one end and kind of stretch it a little bit. I would show you like in person, but this is kind of hard and I don't have a tripod. But you know, this kind of comes off. You just pick an edge, boom, off. And just doing this, I was tempted to leave those, but it's trash day, so I want to get all the crap out I can. There's like some ear dust in here. You didn't see that? Gross. Funky. Funky. And some lice too. But yeah, you just got to get it in one end. I think I started from the bottom on the other side, and it kind of worked easier. The smaller edge, I put it on the bottom and stretched it. But they go on. Side specific RTFM. It probably doesn't say on the instructions either, or box. Because nothing does. You have to have common sense, but nobody has common sense. Yeah, some people said they were thinner than the original. I don't think so. They will rip again. They're kind of junky, but I got them for free. Again, I had to argue with the company. So, it is what it is. I'm happy. For now. Until I break it. It's a cheap unit though. Look at the cracks over here. That cracked from nowhere. I was going to bring up that issue too. I might. I still have a warranty time. I didn't drop it or anything. That's just design flaw. I didn't show anything. Damn right I didn't. But I got free pads and you didn't. That thing on backwards? No, that thing on backwards. These things suck anyway. I'm really not a fan of them. I never did a review. And there's my review. The things rip. These fall out too. It's plastic and it starts cracking over there. They all do. And this garbage, stupid thing. I should go do voiceovers because it's so noisy outside that a lot of times you can't even really say anything. So is that a crack over there too? No, that's supposed to be. We're better off just doing a voiceover and adding it in because it's just so noisy outside. The design flaw though, that these should actually be stitched, but they're not. All it is that little bit holding it. It should be stitched like the edges are, but they're not. They're just like glued and it just splits over there. Made in China, of course. Ear grease. Yeah, should I throw them out? Probably. Sometimes these things in other manufacturers, they just start peeling and it's really nasty. You just get the black stuff all over the place. Nasty. Done. Donut. Alright, I'll leave them in the street. Somebody think they'll donuts. They're gonna go. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, how did I forget the part number? Say 300 series. 507 230. 8 in. Our favorite place.